this program works. It's really been empowering for the people involved. We've seen people learn flexibility, gain confidence, even get their own apartments and their own individual shows as performers. And it's a beautiful project that blurs the line between so-called able-bodied and able-minded people and people with disabilities. We're super proud to be able to do that, and I think it's a project that's worthy of being seen and participated in all over the world. We really hope to inspire people, not just the ones involved in our program from the Netherlands, but everywhere, to start their own United by Music programs and to enlist the help of people in their community, to give people with disabilities a chance to be on stage on equal footing with professional musicians. They have a lot of talent and a lot to say and a lot to express about their own lives that have been filled with obstacles and challenges, and I think that just by transcending their own daily challenges, they can inspire and empower others.
United by Music, and one reason it's so successful in Europe and it's going to be successful here in the United States, is it's breaking that stereotype of the intellectually challenged being a drain on society. I think intrinsically people know everyone has value, but people haven't been able to put a value on certain members of our society. And this project is allowing everyone to say, aha, I knew I was right. I knew my heart was right, that these people had something to give, and this is proving that they do.
I believe that there is a huge population of young adults here with the same set of differently abled circumstances that could benefit greatly from United by Music. It would be wonderful to have an organization, a program here to give people with a different set of abilities the material they need, the strength that they can have to know that they matter, that they mean a lot, that they have talents, that they're worthy, that they can perform, that they have a place that's a safe zone, where they are welcome, where they are thought of and looked at as an individual and not somebody with a certain set of circumstances, that they're valuable because they are a person, because they are human, and because that they have a beautiful self, just who they are. And I think that's what United by Music does. It pinpoints everyone's strengths, gives them a chance for those strengths to be enhanced, come out, soar, shine a light on them, and everyone deserves that.
And each one of you can get involved and do this in your own communities and find people here who deserve the chance to get up on this bandstand, whether they've been held back by intellectual disabilities or by physical disabilities or by just imagined disabilities. They can get up on this bandstand and perform and learn strength and confidence and flexibility, and that the show must go on in spite of things, and that can change their lives.
It's incredible, and more people should get involved and find out what it's like to help somebody else, or if you have someone who's intellectually disabled, music just brings a whole new life to that individual, and I think that we need to reach people.
And we do hope that to be able to come back here to Portland and all over the world and give people a chance with disabilities to get up on stage with our wonderful performers, with whoever the musicians are who volunteer for it. It doesn't take me or this band, it just takes the determination of a few good people to figure out their role and how to do it. But the most important thing is, I think, to encourage people with positivity and to let them know that their talents matter and that they matter as people.
But I'm sure that if you are a volunteer for once, you'll never quit.
To get involved and for more information about United by Music, go to www.ubmna.org.